Parents, are you worried about what your kids are learning in school? You're not alone, and there are ways you can make sure their education stays balanced and focused on what really matters. First, let's talk about understanding your rights. Did you know that under the protection of Pupil Rights Amendment, you have the right to inspect any instructional material used in your child's education? Here's what you can do. Submit formal requests to your child's school to review the curricula and teaching materials. Next, let's look at advocating for legislative changes. For example, in Missouri, proposed bills like SB 451 aim to make sure parents have access to school curricula, guest lecturer materials, and staff training manuals at least 30 days before they're taught. You can support and promote similar legislation in your state to boost transparency and parental involvement. By staying informed and proactive, you play a crucial role in restoring balance in education, ensuring it serves the best interests of all students. So, take action today and be the change your child's education needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on navigating your child's education.